Hidden deep in Iligan's wild mountain spine lies a secret nature guards with pride. This is Limunsudan Falls. Water wave. A two-tiered wonder in Barangay Rogongon. Not just tall, it's the tallest in Iligan. At 870 feet, it's the second highest in PH. Two majestic drops, one epic adventure. The upper falls thunder like a beast. The lower tier? Calm, yet breathtaking. Nestled in rainforest and tribal lands. It's sacred to the Higaron people. Reaching it? Not easy, no roads here. You hike, cross rivers, and earn the view. But once you're there, pure magic. Sparkles. Few have seen it. Fewer still return. Would you dare to discover Limunsudan Falls?